Hello guys, so in today's video I'm quickly going to show you how to use text to speech on Discord. So let's get started. So what you want to do is go to a server where you want to use it and go to your chat, and what you want to do is you want to use this, and then what you want to do is type TTS. It means text to speech, and now you want to follow it by a message. So let's say cool video, and you can just send it, and now listen.
Said cool video.
Yeah, that's how you use it. So it's that simple, guys, and I hope this video helped you. If you did, leave a like. If you have any questions, ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more videos just like this, subscribe. Anyhow, guys, have a nice day.